This is the surface of the planet has already increased 1.7 degrees Fahrenheit since 1880, which may not seem that much, but think about it this way. The heat from human emissions, roughly equal, now gradually continue warmer and storms will grow more intense with longer period of drought between. But longer terms, if emissions continue to rise on, the climate disaster will be so severe and will stabilize our entire nation, send millions refugees across borders, cause widespread extinctions of most species on Earth and melt the poor ice caps, and it can lead to every coastal cities will drowning underwater, and it could take into centuries, but something like sudden collapse of agriculture, immediately chaos in society. This is also the reason why it happened. Meanwhile, Earth less sensitive degree. Greenhouse gases will currently plants and animals will adapt quickly, and major two breakthroughs helped society that ended up just to climate change. But these are all the opposite of what we actually seem. So the only thing that our control is limit emissions using all the tools and best behavior currently. It can cause crisis in all around the world and breaks down our world will start violent and messy real quick. It can cause crisis in all around the world and breaks and also lead to people hunger spreading chaos instead. So yeah, people hungered like a zombie. This is will be melting in the Antarctica ice shield and rapidly increasing seas and forces abandon many of our greatest cities and all building in total rise between in 80 to 160 feet, which will occur if all the ice melted, so the occurs will rise. The real question is how fast. Scientists only have our history to base their predictions on, which suggests to raise occasionally 1 foot per decade, so have to adapt to alter coastline sooner or later, but probably much sooner than later. These are the future possibilities. Climate change describes a change in average conditions, such as temperature and rainfall, in a region over a long period of time. Global climate change refers to the average long-term changes over the entire Earth. This includes warmer temperature and changes in precipitation, as well as the effects of Earth's warming, such as rising sea levels, sinking mountain glaciers, ice melting at a faster rate than usual in Greenland, Antarctica, and the Arctic, changes in flower and plant blooming times. Earth's climate has constantly been changing even long before humans came into the picture. However, scientists have observed unusual changes recently. Earth's average temperature has been increasingly much more quickly than they would expect over the past 150 years. The global climate is the connected system of sun, earth, and oceans, wind, rain, and snow, forests, deserts, and savannas, and everything people do. Climate change is already having a negative impact on the lives of people around the world. Warmer temperature over time are changing weather patterns and disrupting the usual balance of nature. This poses many risks to human beings and all other forms of life on Earth. Changes in temperature cause changes in rainfall. This results in more severe and frequent storms. They cause flooding and landslide, destroying homes and communities and costing billions of pounds.